So we have this very interesting algebra question with us today. Let's see how to solve this. We are given two equations in terms of x and y, where x and y are real numbers. We need to find the sum of x and y variable. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this question. First of all, what we can do is we can multiply this first equation by 3. I'll tell you why we are doing so. So if we multiply first equation by 3 on both the sides, we will get 3x square plus 9xy plus 3y square is equals to 2727. Correct. Now what we can do, we can write this equation exactly below this equation. We will get 3x square plus xy plus 3y square is equals to 1287. Correct. Now what we can do, we can find the difference between these two equations. We can subtract these equations, subtracting this equation. Okay, so if we subtract, these two terms will be cancelled, these two terms will be cancelled, and we will be left with 8xy, which will be equals to 7 minus 7 is 0, 12 minus 8 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. That means xy will turn out to be 180. Xy will turn out to be 180. Okay. So what will happen after this? We can substitute the value of xy in first equation or this second equation. You can do any one of them. Okay. Either you can substitute in first equation or second equation. I'll go for first one. So let's see what happens if we substitute xy in first equation. If we substitute xy in first equation, we will get x square plus y square plus 3 times 180 is equals to 909. Okay, so that will give us x square plus y square is equals to 909 minus 540, which is nothing but 9 minus 0 is 9, 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. So we got x square plus y square as 369. Okay, we will be using this. How? We will see. Now we need to find the value of x plus y, right? Now instead of finding the value of x plus y, what we can do, we can square x plus y and then find the value of x plus y. Okay, so if we square this, we will be using one algebraic identity which gives us x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, so x plus y whole square is x square plus y square, right? What is the value of x square plus y square? That is 369. What is the value of xy? Xy is 180. So let's write 180. So x plus y whole square will be 369 plus 360, which gives us 729. Okay. Now, what will be x plus y? X plus y will be square root of 729, that is 27. So what is the value of x plus y that we need to find out? That is 27. This will be a final answer. The value of x plus y here is 27. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.